Today we are having fun, driving just like grown-ups do, with Chicco Drift, the car that stimulates the imagination and reflexes, as your child has fun skidding, taking corners at full speed, and spinning the car around with the intuitive steering wheel that follows his every movement. Feel like a real racing driver, because happiness is about growing by playing, and the fun on the racetrack continues with Billy Big Wheels. Chicco, wherever there's a baby.